Mamelodi Sundowns forward Arthur Sales has made his ambitions crystal clear ahead of the 2025-2026 DStv Premiership season, and he's gunning for greatness. After a turbulent start to life at Clearcorp, the 22-year-old South American has drawn a line in the sand, boldly declaring his intent to emulate and surpass teammate Lucas Ribeiro. Sales enjoyed an inconsistent debut campaign with the reigning league champions, but finished strong, tallying 9 goals and 10 assists across 42 appearances in all competitions. Despite his late season surge, Sales struggled to assert himself on the biggest stage, failing to make a notable impact during Sundowns' short-lived FIFA Club World Cup campaign. The Pretoria-based Giants exited at the group stage, leaving much room for improvement on the international front. But if anyone knows what it takes to perform consistently, it's Lucas Ribeiro, the Brazilian talisman who has become a pillar of Sundowns' attacking force. Featured in 51 matches and delivered an impressive return of 21 goals and 14 assists, numbers that command respect and admiration. Sales, who shares a close bond with Ribeiro, both on and off the pitch, is now aiming to follow in his mentor's footsteps. Sales told the journalist that it's difficult to describe Lucas Ribeiro. He's not only a big player, but also a big personality. I stay with this guy every day, travel with him, share hotel rooms, everything. And he's always smiling, joking, and then doing brilliant things on the pitch. You watch him and say, wow, this guy is different. And me, I want this level. I want to be better. He's a brilliant player and a brilliant friend. It's this hunger that has caught the eye of a new head coach, Miguel Cardoso, who is expected to place faith in the young forward heading into the new season. Cardoso has publicly backed Sales, seeing in him the versatility and drive needed to thrive, both domestically and in continental competitions. Sales' declaration has resonated with the Sundowns faithful, who will be eager to see if the young attacker can translate words into consistent performances. With an inspiring figure like Ribeiro to learn from and a coach willing to give him chances, the stage is set for Sales to take the next step. 2025-2026 campaign could be the season Arthur Sales goes from promising prospect to undeniable powerhouse. Meanwhile, a European publication claims that a French club has identified Lucas Ribeiro Costa as a target and is weighing up a substantial bid for the Mamelodi Sundowns talisman. A report by Footboom claims that French outfit Saint Etienne are interested in signing Ribeiro from Sundowns after the FIFA Club World Cup tournament. Footboom claimed that Saint Etienne are considering making an offer in the region of €2 million, approximately 41 million rand, for the Masandawana attacker. Notably, Saint Etienne were relegated from League One at the end of the 2024-2025 season and are set to compete in the second tier next season. Lucas has previously played in France, having featured for Valenciennes during 2018-2019 campaign. The forward only joined Sundowns in July 2023, signing a 5-year contract running until June 2028. On the other hand, Ribeiro has told Brazilian news outlets that he's very happy at Mamelodi Sundowns and said, "I'm very happy at my club." Actually, I'm not thinking about that now. I'm very happy at my club. The club opened its doors to me and they treat me very well. The players, the people who live there. I think you have to let things happen naturally. Everyone knows my desire to return to my country, to be close to my family. But as I said, I'm very happy at Sundowns, regardless of which club I go to or don't go to, or whether I stay at Sundowns, I don't know. It will all depend on my club, but I'm very happy to be at Sundowns. Let's let things happen naturally. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.